Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, now we are going to see regarding the Zank TV remote app. That app is alternative to C Display app. In that app, you can see many features like mouse controller, D-pad controller, and you can use it as a TV remote. And there is additional features also there. You can send files from that app to your TV. It is all in one app, guys. Okay, let's first jump inside this video and we can see that app. First we need to install it. This is one of the best app, guys, and it is alternative to C Display app also, and this is one of the best app for Android TV. Okay, this is the app Zank remote. It is available in Fire TV also. Okay, let's first install it. There is a lot of features are there, guys, in this Zank remote app. Let's see what are the features are there. Okay, just please wait, it's installing. Yeah, now it's installed. It's installing. Just please wait. Okay, now I'm going to launch this app. Okay, let's click OK. It's initializing. That's right. Okay, now you need to grant permission. Click allow. Okay, after this, take your mobile phone. You need to install the Zank app from Google Play Store. Now I'm going to install it. Yeah, now it's installing on my mobile phone too. Okay, now I'm going to open this app. Here you can see this is the app layout. Okay, okay, now after that I forgot to tell one point. Before connecting this phone and TV, you need to connect to same Wi-Fi network, so only it will work. Okay, after that just click this icon. Here you can see zoom in my TV, it's showing. That's I'm going to connect. Yeah, here you can see now it's connected, both phone as well as TV. And the first feature is, here you can see there is a mouse controls is there in this app, and controls is also very smooth and easy to use too. You can see it is accurately moving. You can see there is very accuracy. And third thing is you can reduce your volume and you can increase your volume. Here you can see you can do like this, and as well as this is the back button, and this is the screencast button. You can cast your screen also. Just click yes, sorry, start now. Here you can see my mobile phone screen is sharing. Just I can go inside this app. Now I'm going to stop screencasting. Now after that let's click back, and here you can see there is another TV remote is also there, and here you can see there is one file symbol. Just click I need to grant permission. Okay, now its permission is granted. Just go to files. You can send files from your mobile phone to TV, guys. It's very easy to use too. This option is for file sharing. You can send files from your phone to TV. Just select and just click send files here. It will automatically receive in your TV. Okay, let's come back, and afterwards there is a assistance app is also there, but this thing is not working in my TV. Why, I don't know. Just try it and see. And then you can see this is another toggle for left, right, and up and down. And after that, here there is a one icon. Why using that icon means, if you click this means, here you can see it's showing which apps are currently running in my TV RAM. For that only this option. If you switch back means it will automatically go on up. And another feature is there is a home button is also there. If you click home, please wait, it's loading. Yeah, it will automatically redirects to your home screen. Okay, and finally there is a keyboard option is also there, guys. So you can see if you need to type anything means you can type here itself, it will automatically shows there. And okay guys, and finally there is a settings. Here you can see there is a lot of features are there in the settings also. First one is mouse speed. You can set which speed you need, and add mouse speed also there. There is a lot of features for there. You can adjust in settings itself, guys. Here you can see there is iPhone iOS version is also there in this app. Definitely you can use it in iOS also. And regarding this, that's all, guys. And this is the one of the best TV remote app for your Mi TV as well as your Fire TV stick also. I really impressed by using this app because there is a lot of features are there in this single app. You can share files as well as